Hello and welcome to taik18. I am Muhammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is semantic model. So basically, when you want to create a model, usually in the BI world you need a data sources, whether it can be a SQL server or it can be a Excel, MySQL, SharePoint or OData. If any kind of data sources we need to connect, sometimes we may need one single data source, sometimes we may need multiple data sources. So we combine all together and then we use this into our application. The application can be client tools, whether we can use it on Excel or it can be a SQL server or it can be a Tableau or it can be a PowerBI or it can be a DAX Studio or it can be a tabular editor. So we can use this in multiple places. So to bridge the gap between the data sources and the client tools, we need to build a model, and that model we call it as a semantic model. So basically what it resides inside the semantic model. So when you look into the detail of this one, the semantic model, basically there are two kinds of semantic models which you can build. One is a tabular model and the other one is a multi-dimensional model. So usually when we talk about Power BI, we refer to tabular model itself. So inside to that, the business logics and queries, whatever we want to create, we need to do it in the DAX, whereas for multi-dimensional we can use it using MDX. And for data access, we need to use a Vetipack, which is an import mode, just as an overview. And also we can directly connect to the source using direct query mode. Whereas for multidimensional, we can use ROLAB or MOLAB. So basically, ROLAB is relational online analytical processing. For MOLAB, it is multidimensional online analytical processing. I'm not going to go much detail inside to this, as we are just referring to the tabular model. So in our case, we can just say that Power BI data set itself is a kind of semantic model which you can use, where we can connect to multiple data sources into one place, and then we can define our business logics and queries, whether we can use it on an import mode or a direct query, and then we can use it inside a Power BI or in tabular editor or in DAX Studio or in Excel also. So that is actually about the semantic model.